In this problem, we're going to be simplifying an expression involving exponents. There are usually several different ways to do this. One way might be to distribute this exponent 3 on the outside through to each other exponent. We're going to choose to do it in another fashion. What we're going to do is simplify inside of the parenthesis first. So I'm going to combine exponents as best I can inside. Negative 3 stays untouched. If I look at the numerator, there's an r to the 4th times an r to the negative 3. One of the properties of exponents says when we multiply, we add or algebraically combine the exponents. Similarly, in the bottom, we algebraically combine negative 3 plus 7. And that 3 stays the same outside. The property I'm using is a to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n. And this works no matter whether m and n are positive or negative. It doesn't matter. So, doing the simple arithmetic, negative 3 we copy. 4 minus 3 is 1. And negative 3 plus 7 is 4. We'll leave that 3 outside. Continuing to simplify inside, we have negative 3. When I divide, I subtract exponents. So I get the exponent in the numerator minus the exponent in the denominator. And again, doing the arithmetic, we get negative 3, r to the negative 3 raised to the 3 power. Now I'm going to distribute this outside exponent 3 throughout the two terms. So what I'm going to get is negative 3 raised to the 3rd power, r to the negative 3 raised to the 3rd power. Negative 3 to the 3rd is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. That's negative 27. When I raise a power to a power, we multiply exponents. I'm using the rule that a to the m to the k is a to the m times k. We multiply exponents. So the new exponent on r is going to be negative 3 times 3, or negative 9. We're almost done. The only thing I want to do now is the implicit idea when we simplify is not to have any negative exponents in the answer. So this negative 27 remains unaffected. R to the negative 9 means 1 over r to the 9th. So I'm using the definition of a negative exponent to move this r to the negative 9 into the bottom. So we can write this expression as negative 27 over r to the 9. We could also write it like that. The negative sign could be thought of as part of the numerator or in front of the whole fraction. It doesn't make any difference. So either of these answers is correct. They are equivalent.